Okay, so here is the awesome gaming chair, which is super comfy, and it's all put together now because it went together so easily with this little device, a little Allen wrench on one end and hexagonal screwdriver on the other end for only 2 little screws. Everything else pretty much used this, and it was all in one place. It's super easy to put together. And then these 2 cushions, which you can adjust to wherever you want them, lower back support cushion, they just clip together. So they just clip on and clip on. So putting it together was super easy. In fact, here you can see that I've still got the left handle and R for right armrest still on, little stickers on it. Comes in like this piece and the base basically, and they all just screw in together. These little attachments here on the side is where those little screws go for this guy, and you can see this piece here is already attached to the seat, and you just Allen wrench them in, and then you just put the cover over the top. The only tricky part for me was getting that little head of the screwdriver in that screw. But the cover just sits there, and the whole thing, as you see, just goes together. The underneath, you can see the 2 armrests just Allen wrench in. This base Allen wrench in, it's got adjustable. And these casters, they just snap in. So the whole thing just goes together super quick and easy. So much so that I quickly read the instructions and threw it together before I realized I probably should have done a little bit more of a video on how it goes together. The other thing is, sitting in it, the handle here for adjusting, down, up, getting whatever height is good for you. And then there's also another little handle here for leaning back, oh, go to bed, come forward, you know, whatever is your comfort zone. Swivels, rolls around, really easy. Of course, a lot easier on a hardwood floor than carpet, but even so on the carpet. And this is fairly thick carpet too. So it's comfy, it's nice and wide. And when you put the armrests on, you can either move them out a little bit or move them in a little bit. So if you're a smaller person, you might want them in a little tighter. Bigger person, just put them out to the width. But super comfy. The little neck pillow here sits right in the base of your neck. Just adjust it and you're like, ah, this is good. I'm ready to be here for the next 7 to 12 hours. So it's actually a really cool chair. The best chair I've ever had, actually. And super light too. I mean, so looks good, feels comfy, and went together easy. So I'm very impressed so far.